What if I told you that simple puppy videos are getting millions of views and subscribers in just days, and most creators still have no idea why? No face, no paid tools, no editing skills. I discovered this viral puppy niche by researching channels that blew up almost overnight. And the best part? You can do this 100% free. In this video, I'll show you how to create unlimited AI videos with no credits and no limits, using smart tools and the right prompts. ChatGPT does the heavy work by generating viral-ready prompts in seconds, and a free AI video platform turns those prompts into cinematic, realistic puppy videos. No camera, no voice, no experience needed. If you want to stay ahead of trends and grow faster on YouTube, subscribe now. Let's get started.
So guys, the first thing I did was to take a screenshot of a successful channels, just a few of their main videos. That is it. So I took a screenshot of their videos. Then I head over to ChatGPT to get my prompt. This is my ChatGPT. So I will click on this plus button to upload the screenshot that we took. So I wrote something very simple to ChatGPT. Please provide me with 10 prompts similar to the one in the screenshot. I want YouTube shorts. The puppy should be adorable, consistent, and visually appealing, and I press enter. ChatGPT instantly generated quality, detailed, ready to use prompts that usually work. No overthinking, no wasting hours. This is why ChatGPT is really a game changer. It turns your ideas into a professional level content, even if you are a complete beginner. Like seriously, if you want to work smarter, save time, and stay competitive on YouTube, ChatGPT is no longer optional, it is essential. So it gave us 10 image prompts for us to create, so you can read through them and choose the best out of them. So now let me show you the platform that brings everything together. Go over to your browser, type in your browser aivideomaker.ai. You search, you click on the first website, you will see it, free AI video maker unlimited online generator. Click on this particular one. Note, in some countries the site might not open immediately. That is normal. You don't need an expensive VPN. Any simple VPN network can work. And so this is how the interface looks like. This website is powerful because it offers multiple AI tools in one place. So you try and sign in. Once you sign in, it brings you to this place. You will see text to video, you will see image to video, you see AI talking photo, you see AI image editor, AI image generator. And the best part is many of these tools are completely free. No credit card, no payments, no hidden tricks. And the video it produces are very smooth, cinematic, and surprisingly realistic. Perfect for shorts, reels, and faceless YouTube channels. So you can take advantage of this platform. So we'll click on text to video. We'll head over to ChatGPT, copy our prompts, and head over to the platform. So you come over to this place, you select the first AI model. That's the one that allow you to generate your video free of charge without any hidden charges. You click on it. So you open the advanced settings. Although there are some limitations, but they do not affect the realism or quality of your video. So you go ahead and click on create video now. So we'll go ahead and wait for our video to generate. Even though the timer shows 6 minutes, it finishes in between 2 minutes or thereabouts. So we'll just hold on and wait for our video to. And guys, our video is ready. The result looks clean, smooth, and cinematic. Honestly, this is clean and very realistic. If I didn't tell you this was AI, you will never guess because it looks very realistic. So we'll go ahead and download. Click on this download button here to download your video, and your video will be saved in your device. To be transparent, I tested multiple prompts. So I will copy the next prompt, then I will paste it on the prompt bar. Then I will go ahead and click create video now. You can clearly see that the credit balance remains at 0. That means no credit card used, no payment required, no hidden charges. This is truly free AI video generator. And guys, we have our results ready. Let's play it and see what we have. Just to show you that this is free, that the platform is free, I copied another prompt from ChatGPT and I pasted it, and I will hit create video now, and we'll just hold on and wait for our video to generate. And guys, our video is ready. Let's play and see what we have here. It looks so real. If I didn't tell you this was AI, you would never guess. You can also use the image to video feature with the same free mode, and the quality stay consistently high every single time. If you're a new YouTuber on a low budget, if you want professional looking content without spending money, this tool is made for you. And remember this, as long as Judy Spotless is here, I will keep researching and testing and sharing real tools that actually work, not guesswork, and help you. And guys, if this video helped you a little, subscribe to this channel, like this video, share it with someone who needs it. Share it with someone who needs it. Thank you so much for watching. More value packed content is coming very soon. Let's grow together, guys. Bye for now.